Hi, I'm Noel, and today we're tackling the ultimate project management showdown, ClickUp versus Asana. This is the Swiss Army knife versus the precision scalpel. One tries to do everything, the other focuses on doing project management perfectly. Let's find your winner. Here's where these platforms fundamentally differ in their vision. ClickUp embraces the all-in-one philosophy. Why juggle multiple tools when one comprehensive platform can handle tasks, documents, chat, and collaboration? Asana takes the specialist approach, focusing exclusively on making project management as clear and intuitive as possible. ClickUp wants to replace your entire tech stack, while Asana wants to perfect the art of project management. Both approaches have passionate followers. The user bases tell the story of two different approaches to productivity. ClickUp attracts teams managing complex projects with diverse workflows. They need extensive customization and aren't afraid to invest setup time for long-term gains. Asana serves teams needing straightforward project planning with clean interfaces and low learning curves. ClickUp users want comprehensive control, while Asana users prioritize clarity and quick adoption across their organization.
The pricing strategies reveal each platform's market positioning and philosophy. ClickUp focuses on affordability and accessibility with generous free plans and budget-friendly paid tiers that provide high value. Asana positions itself as a premium solution with higher price points reflecting its polished experience and enterprise-focused features. The cost difference is significant. Asana often costs nearly twice as much as ClickUp for similar functionality, making budget a crucial consideration. ClickUp's pricing structure emphasizes accessibility and growth. The free forever plan is remarkably generous with unlimited users, tasks, and collaborative documents, limited mainly by 100 megabytes storage. Unlimited at $7 monthly adds unlimited storage and integrations. Business at $12 brings advanced automation and reporting. Enterprise offers custom pricing with enhanced security. The AI add-on costs $7 monthly across paid plans, maintaining ClickUp's commitment to affordable advanced features. Asana's pricing reflects its premium positioning and polished experience. The free personal plan supports up to 10 users, but lacks key features like custom fields and timeline views. Starter jumps to $10.99 monthly, but includes essential workflow tools. Advanced at $24.99 adds portfolios, goals tracking, and comprehensive reporting. Enterprise provides custom pricing with advanced security. Asana AI is built into paid plans with usage limits that increase by tier, showing their integrated approach. This comparison highlights the fundamental trade-off between breadth and depth. ClickUp offers extensive features out of the box with high customization potential, while Asana's features are more polished and purpose-built for specific project management needs. ClickUp excels in comprehensive task management and advanced features, while Asana stands out for its superior collaboration capabilities and user-friendly interface. Choose ClickUp for feature richness, Asana for refined focus. The learning curve difference is dramatic and often the deciding factor. ClickUp has a steep learning curve due to numerous features, views, and customization options. It can overwhelm new users and requires significant setup time, though power users eventually benefit from the complexity. Asana offers a much lower learning curve with its clean, intuitive interface, user-friendly approach for beginners, and guided onboarding. Asana wins decisively on ease of use and immediate productivity.
Both platforms offer strong visualization, but with different philosophies. ClickUp provides over 15 customizable views including list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, workload, mind maps, and specialized options like box and activity views. Asana focuses on essential, polished views list, board, calendar, timeline, workload, and portfolios for high-level oversight. ClickUp offers more variety and customization, while Asana's views are more refined and purpose-built for specific project management needs. The automation capabilities show each platform's approach to complexity and user experience. ClickUp provides a powerful automation builder with numerous triggers and actions, extensive capabilities for complex workflows, though the interface can feel clunky. ClickUp's system allows for more granular control and cross-project automation, making it ideal for teams looking to streamline complex processes. Asana's Workflow Builder offers robust automation with more intuitive, user-friendly interfaces and well-designed templates. Asana wins on usability, ClickUp on power. This represents one of ClickUp's strongest advantages over Asana. ClickUp functions as a true collaboration hub with built-in chat, real-time collaborative documents, mentions, threaded conversations, and integrated communication tools. Asana offers task comments, message boards, approvals, and My Tasks views but lacks built-in chat functionality and requires integration with tools like Slack for real-time communication. For teams prioritizing integrated collaboration, ClickUp provides a more comprehensive solution. Reporting reveals where each platform's focus pays off. ClickUp offers customizable dashboards and widgets with powerful capabilities, but requires more setup and can feel less intuitive. Asana provides superior reporting and analytics in higher tiers with custom dashboards, executive reports with clear insights, portfolios for high-level oversight, and goals tracking with progress visualization. Teams who adopt Asana report 42% faster execution and 34% boost in on-time project completion. Asana wins for polished, actionable reporting. This slide illustrates the core philosophical difference driving everything else. ClickUp positions itself as the Swiss Army knife, replacing multiple tools with a single platform handling tasks, documents, chat, whiteboards, and time tracking. This reduces tech stack complexity and costs by eliminating separate tools. Asana positions itself as the specialist, doing project management exceptionally well with clarity and purpose-built features, integrating with but not replacing other tools for a more refined core experience.
For a 10-person marketing team managing content calendars and campaigns, the choice often comes down to budget and feature needs. ClickUp offers their free forever plan, or affordable unlimited at $7 per user with highly customizable content calendars, no user limits even free, and built-in collaboration tools. Asana's free plan limits to 10 users with basic features, requiring the $10.99 starter plan for key functionality. For small, growing teams, ClickUp provides better feature-to-cost value. For a 200-person organization needing standardized platforms across multiple departments, the priorities shift toward consistency and executive oversight. ClickUp can be customized for enterprise needs, but many features may lead to inconsistent usage with steeper learning curves for widespread adoption. Asana's structured approach proves ideal for standardization with portfolios and goals for oversight, advanced executive reporting, and easier company-wide adoption. After hours of research, ClickUp is better for project management software, but Asana may be simpler and easier to set up. ClickUp excels as a highly customizable, feature-rich all-in-one solution with affordable pricing and generous free plans, plus robust real-time collaboration tools. However, it can overwhelm new users with steep learning curves, occasional performance issues, cluttered interfaces, and decision fatigue from too many options. Asana shines with easy-to-use clean interfaces, powerful reporting, purpose-built project management, and polished experiences. But it has expensive paid plans, limited free options, lacks built-in chat, and requires integrations for some capabilities. ClickUp serves teams needing comprehensive solutions, organizations wanting all-in-one platforms combining task management, documents, and communication. It's perfect for budget-conscious organizations needing robust capabilities, but sensitive to per-user costs as they scale. Teams prioritizing real-time collaboration where members need frequent communication within their project management tool will love ClickUp. ClickUp's tools complement every team, from marketers to software engineers, and they are free forever. Power users seeking extensive customization for unique workflows find ClickUp ideal. Asana serves teams needing simplicity and clarity, organizations wanting elegant, straightforward tools that team members can quickly learn without extensive training. It's ideal for organizations with defined project management processes who want tools that just work without extensive customization. Managers requiring powerful reporting and comprehensive visibility across projects, teams, and departments with minimal setup will appreciate Asana. Enterprise organizations seeking consistent, reliable platforms deployable across departments with predictable results find Asana perfect. This framework illustrates the core decision between comprehensive customization and focused simplicity. Both provide comprehensive task management capabilities and collaboration tools, with ClickUp offering more customization, while Asana has stronger enterprise features. The choice fundamentally comes down to determining which approach better aligns with your team's working style, technical comfort level, and specific project management needs. Neither approach is inherently superior. They serve different organizational philosophies. Choose ClickUp if you value affordability and cost-effectiveness at scale, want a wide range of customizable features in one platform, need built-in collaboration tools and real-time communication, or require flexibility to adapt tools to your specific processes. Choose Asana if you value simplicity, clarity, and low learning curves, need purpose-built refined project management features, want superior reporting and executive-level visibility, or need consistent experiences across teams and departments. ClickUp is one of the more budget-friendly solutions with plans under $20 monthly and excellent free options.